Is your iPhone showing the error message? Your iPhone is currently unable to access cellular data? It's a pretty annoying problem, but don't stress. There are a few different things that might be causing it, like network settings, software glitches, or even issues with your SIM card. Fortunately, we've got you covered with some simple fixes. Let's walk through them together. Solution 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Sometimes, toggling airplane mode can help reset your connections. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Look for airplane mode at the top of the settings list. Turn airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, then turn it off. Check to see if your cellular signal is back. Hopefully, this should restore your connection. Solution 2. Check for carrier settings update. Carrier settings updates can improve connectivity, so it's worth checking. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Select About. If an update is available, you'll see a prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can fix any misconfigurations. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Choose Reset network settings and confirm your choice. Just keep in mind, this will erase all your saved Wi-Fi password. Solution 4. Update iOS. Updating iOS can resolve bugs that might be causing the issue. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, go ahead and download and install it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve the "your iPhone is currently unable to access cellular data" error. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.